Hi, welcome to Sentient House. Come on in. We're hosting a hackathon for 3 weeks, and yeah, this is our space, so welcome. This is the entrance. We obviously have our developers everywhere, and hey guys, say hi to them. Hi, yes, more developers here. Our meeting room, very fancy. This is Sentient team. Guys, say hi. Welcome to the crib, welcome to the crib. Abhishek, this is the restroom, by the way, so yes. This is our arena room where you can find the best merch ever and obviously the best posters. Anyway, you can go in here. And this is our common room where, you know, we have our amazing bar with all the drinks available. We have our team here as well. Guys, say hi. We're doing a house tour.
Hello.
Yes, yeah, he's the host. Let's go and see the other side of the house as well. That's where all the developers are hacking. Here we have our amazing setup with screens. So you can see already that people are vibe coding. Hopefully we'll get some amazing projects in. Right guys, go arena, woo! I actually wanted to extend a warm welcome to every builder that is watching this video because we are here for 3 weeks and yeah, let's go and hack together in this space, in this amazing space in Presidio. San Francisco, come over.